brand new home is great, but it comes with a large price tag. You may not like the purple carpet or dated kitchen you see in used homes because you think you can't afford a big reno on top of a home purchase. Well, you might be able to with a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage. Here's more.
In your search for a home, you found a listing of what appears to be your perfect home. You go to see it, and it is almost perfect, except for that dreaded kitchen. With a lot of your budget going towards the purchase of a home, you don't have room for an expensive renovation. Most home buyers would stop here and go back to looking for that perfect listing to appear. But you have a mortgage expert on your side who can customize your mortgage to include renovations on this home with a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage. That means you can purchase this home and renovate it into a home you love right away. You'll pay the lowest possible interest rate and payments. On a $40,000 renovation, you'd save $2,900 in annual interest versus an unsecured line of credit. With a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage, homeowners can update the bathroom, renovate a kitchen, replace the roof or flooring, upgrade furnace, windows, doors, and insulation for increased energy savings, add a new garage, and much more. Certain conditions apply. Talk to us if you're interested in learning more.
Not all banks and lenders have this program, and only a few of them do it well. Call us to learn more.